Here I'm going to show you what the students specifically will see when they access the Nearpod that you've created. When you're on this screen, you'll go to My Library. Let's say we want to talk about cycles. So when you hover over it, it'll say Live Lesson, where everyone's engaged at one time. Every student's Chromebook will have the same thing happening at the same time. Student Paced is them individually on their own. Student Paced works well if it's in the center, or if you have a student who needs to catch up. A 5-digit or letter code will appear like this. Usually I have this on my smartboard so that the students will know what they're going to plug in. So what they'll do is from the splash page, or if they go to nearpod.com, in the top right corner it'll say enter code. So they're going to go ahead and enter this in. And then once they do that, it'll pop up with this. So obviously it knows that something is happening here. So you're controlling this screen, and this is what the kids will see. So I usually have them plug in their first and last name, and then if to have fun, they might just put like, I don't know, they'll put like sassy or something. They write ridiculous things. So then you'll see both. So they'll see this screen here because you're controlling it. So if you move this, then the kids will automatically be moved as well. Your screen down here, it'll tell you who's in the list specifically. It'll say what slide you're on. And this is specific when you want to show what they're doing, and you can pull it up on the screen. So if you were to go, and if you look, the kids can't click anything. They're just along for the ride. So as you go through, you're going to find that there's going to be there's a question around here, I promise. Okay, so here's one of your questions. Just like we showed you in the last tutorial, how to add an activity. So this is what the kids see. There are 3 different types of rock. What makes these different rocks? So they're going to pick one of them here, and this is what your screen looks like. So it says who the student is and what they chose. So let's say they choose this, and they're going to hit send. It's going to say thanks. Hang tight. Your screen will show that Molly chose letter C, and they were correct. So you can choose to share it if you would like, and when that happens, this is what the students will see. They'll see the answers. If you choose to show the student names, then it'll come up on here as well.